Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very interesting problem. So whenever you buy some products from an e-commerce website or company, that's Amazon.com, you will see if you are buying a product, you will get a recommendation that these products are bought together, correct? Let's say if you are buying a phone, you will see that with this phone cover or this earphone or some other products are bought together. So as a recommendation, you will see that. So they recommend you things. How they will recommend? Based on the user's purchase history. Correct? So they will check the history that which items are purchased most together. And based on that, they will recommend the item to new user. This kind of problem we are going to solve today. So we are going to see how we can find which pair of products are bought the most. Let's say I have this orders table. Okay, so I have executed this. I see this order ID, customer ID, and product ID. Okay, so for each order, we have some products bought, right? So 1, 2, 3. For in the order 2, I see this 1, 2, 4. Correct. From order 3, we have only one product, which is 5. Okay. So what do they mean is we need to find out the pair of products bought together the most. Let's say now our first step would be to find out the pair of products. Then we can find out which pair of products are bought the most. So now how we can decide which pair of products? Let's say from order ID 1, we have 1, 2 as one pair, 1, 3 as another pair, and 2, 3 as another pair. So these 3 pairs we can decide. Okay, and from order 2, we have 1, 2, 1, 4, and 2, 4. So on high level, you can say that 1, 2 pair of product is bought the most because it is bought once here from order ID 1 and 1, 2 is bought together again from the order ID 2. So this will be recommended for any further purchase. Like if any one product is bought, they will recommend 2 as a recommendation. So this is how it goes. So let's say how we can find out the pair of products and count them. Okay. So I'll try to write the query. Okay, best then you will try to understand. Select some from orders. Okay. So what I'll do now with this table of orders, I'll join this. Okay, as a self join. I'll join this again with the orders table itself on this order ID. Okay, and this product ID. Okay, so let's show you how we will get orders woven join with orders O2. Correct. So for simplicity on what I said on woven dot order ID, orders ID, right? Or order ID, correct. Order ID equal to O2 dot order ID. Correct. So we will have something such like this. I will say O1 dot star, comma O2 dot star. Okay. For easy purpose, I'll only join for only where order ID equal to 1. 1 dot I can say. Okay. So I'll execute this and show you. Okay. So we will have something like this. This each order ID will join with other 3, right? So there are 3 order IDs from here, 3 orders. So we will have Cartesian product of these order IDs like 3 into 3, 9 output, like on 9 records we will have as an output. Okay, but our focus would be on product IDs, right? This pair. So we will have 3, 1, okay, 2, 1, and 1, 1. Okay, this is a good pair. Okay, there is no repetition here. But here we have 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. So 1 and 1 is not a pair, right? So pair means we have something one left or the right, but both are same, right? So we do not recommend this. Like we do not consider it for recommendation, correct? And there is something like 2, 1 here. Okay. 1 2 here, correct? It's a repetition of pair, correct? 1 and 2 or 2 and 1, it's both the same, right? But we just want only one pair, correct? So how we can restrict that? One is uh, product ID 1 should not be equal to product ID 2, correct? 3 1 3 will not make a pair. So and O1 dot product ID, O1 dot product ID is not equal to O2 dot product ID, correct? This is our one condition to restrict. And there is something like repetition of pairs, right? 2 1 and 2 1. So we want to have either of one, either of or two pairs, because both pairs are same. So how I can restrict? Instead of just not equal to, I will say O1 dot product ID is greater than O2 dot product ID. So with this, what we will get? We will only get the products. We will have only three pairs: 3 1, 2 1, and 3 2. So we are not missing any pair. So now I'll remove this filter. Which filter? Where order ID equal to just one. So what I'll do? So this will give me the output for all orders, correct? So we have around 6 pairs, correct? Okay. So in output, what I'll I expect is only orders, order ID, and the product ID, like pair of that product. So what I meant to say? Well, let's say I just only the pair of products. One dot product ID, comma, two dot product ID. This is from as P1, where I get it from P1, like product one, like first out of a pair. This is P1. This is P2. So we have only these pairs from that like history of that user's purchase history, correct? Okay, so I have this many pairs, 6 pairs. Now I need to find out which pairs are the most bought together, correct? How I can say? So before that, they want something like where is that? Okay, okay. Still, we also have a products table wherein ID, okay, product ID 1, one's name is A, B, C, D, something like this. So as an output, we also want to be a meaningful pair. We want to suggest the product name, right? So instead of just product ID, okay, I also want product name, or I want the product name particularly. So from where I'll get it from the products table. Okay, till now we are only in orders table. So to have the name for each products, okay, products from orders 1 and products from orders 2, I need to join them with the products table. Product join with products as P1, I can say, on P1 dot ID. Okay, there is ID column from this products. Okay, P1 dot ID equal to O1 dot product ID. Okay, that will give me the name of that product from that orders 1 table. Okay, again we have orders 2 table, correct? So we are not matching that, right? We need to match that. Join products again, as like on, like I can say P2 on P2 dot ID equal to O2 dot orders table. O2 dot orders. So this will give me the name here. What I want, instead of getting the product ID, I want P1 dot name. Okay, and again the same here. P2 dot name. Okay, with this what I'll get, let me run and show you. Okay, orders invalid identifier. So there is some orders P1 as 2 as P2. From orders O1 join orders O2 on O1 dot order ID equal to O2 dot. Okay, join products P1 on P1 dot ID equal to O1 dot product ID. Join products P2 on P2 dot ID equal to O2 dot orders ID. Sorry, product ID. Okay. Okay. So we have this space instead of by product ID. Let's suggest with the product name. Okay. So these are the pairs. Now I need to find out which are bought the most. Correct? Which pair is bought the most. Okay. So instead of having two columns, separate columns for this, I'll have I'll concatenate these two columns and have it as a pair. And I need to count this pair. Correct? So that will give me the count of pairs, right? So group by these two. Okay, so this will give me the pair and the count. Okay, like this pair. Which pair is bought the most? AB is bought the most, and rest are all just one count. So based on this, it will recommend you the products. Whenever you are buying only one product, it will suggest you based on the frequency of product or like frequency of purchase. It will suggest the any other products. Okay, so instead of having two separate columns for these two products, I concatenate this with space first, then concatenate again this name with this. Okay, as pair, I can say this will be pair, right? And this as purchase frequency. Okay, invalid number of arguments. So sorry. Okay, so this is something like this they are expecting. So this is a pair and this is the frequency. So order by third column, right? This thing. So we want the higher count at the top. So this is what we got at the end, guys. So this based on this only, it will suggest you which it will suggest you the other product when you are whenever you are buying only one single product. Okay, if you like this content, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.